Yeah, guys, Tepcocyclerepair, we have a unique problem with this hedge trimmer, and we're going to get it done. So do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Let's get started on this one. It's going to be fun. Guys, we got compression, we got spark, we got fuel, we got air, but it's not starting. We're going deep on this one. All right, guys, so we're going to go over a couple basics here. We have a Husqvarna 122 HC45. This has a brand new carburetor on it. It was brought to me with a new carburetor, new fuel filter, new air filter, new spark plug. It has a spark. Watch right here. You should be able to see that. Okay, watch that right there. All right. Hopefully you can see that. So we got spark. Spark is good. It's got a new spark plug in it. Let's check out compression. All right, see that brand new plug right there? There's no gas on it. We're getting closer, guys. But it's got a brand new carburetor, new fuel lines, and a new fuel filter. Keep that in mind. Let's keep going. 130. 130. Compression is good. All right, we're going to spray some starter fluid in there. Nothing. Still nothing. Alright guys, now we're getting to the fun part, and this is the part I want to show you. Let's pull this cover off. Alright, 4 screws, this comes out. And then here we have our flywheel. So let's pull that flywheel off, take a look underneath that. Checking the keyway in here to see if we're getting timing at the right place, at the right time. See if the spark is going off properly when it's supposed to be going off. Because if it's not, it's no good either. We're not going to get anything. Let's see if I can get this off of here. Okay, now this has a keyway in here. Okay, that's part of the flywheel. And then the seal right here is what I'm concerned about. I want to know if that seal is good. See if there's any damage on that, so let's inspect that. So I'm going to say our keyway was still good. Alright, let's keep digging. So there's a couple bolts in here, there's 3 of them. We're going to make sure those are tight. Those seal the cases together. And if your cases aren't sealed together, when you try to crank it, the pressure that's supposed to be going up to the top end just goes shooting out the bottom. So through the seal, so we got to make sure that's good. So let's just take our T27 again and make sure these are tight. Yep. These are all tight, so we're good there. I'm looking for any leakage past any of the intake manifolds, carburetor intake manifold. Okay. Something's going on here. Oh, yeah. Let me show you something. Alright, let me show you something here that I noticed. Grabbing the carburetor, watch the cylinder and the base, okay? You ready? Can you see that cylinder moving? That cylinder is moving independently. Look, you can see it. See how much that carburetor is moving? It's moving the whole cylinder. So that's telling me that the cylinder is not tightened all the way down to the base. So we're losing suction. So let me find the other, to try to get to the other cylinder bolt. It's down in there. So we're going to have to try to get it. But we got to pull some more stuff apart. So let me start pulling it apart some more. There you go. You can see it there. That's not supposed to move. All right, guys, so what I did here is I took off just the 2 27s to get the handle out of the way, And then in the plastic cover, there's a cutout so you can access the other cylinder bolt. So where the cylinder connects to the crankcase, you have these Torx, okay? You have one right there. All right, so this one right here, and you have one on the other side. There's only two of them, and they're the opposite, and they're P27 Torx. So here it is. I'm on it right now. Look how loose it is. It's not even tight. Okay, that's a massive air leak, okay? So we're going to tighten this up. There we are. I'm going to make this good and tight, and I'm going to throw it back together again and see if it starts. Before we do that, guys, look. We've got no more play here. Solid. Should be good. Let me put the flywheel and everything back on. All right, let's try it again. Oh. So we definitely need the carb adjustment. Alright guys, so we got it. That's what it needed. It had a major crankcase seal leak. And basically it was the base gasket. The cylinder wasn't sealed against the cylinder because the bolts weren't tight. So I see these a lot. I got this one at a yard sale, so and it wasn't running. I see these a lot, people getting rid of them, having trouble with them. A lot of reviews saying that they're garbage. Most likely that's the problem on most of these, is that they're coming loose. I mean, all the other parts that you normally throw at it don't work, and that's going to be the problem. So guys, listen, it's pretty easy to get to, not hard to work on this hedge trimmer at all. I got to do some fine tuning in the carburetor, not a big deal. I'll get that knocked out. But guys, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications if the video helped you out. Please share the video. Until next time, guys, this is Tepcocyclerepair.